Hello. Welcome to today's video. Today we are looking for some useful items for day-to-day life. Before going to start video, please subscribe our channel. Let's start our video. First one. This is powerful magnetic attraction hook. You can buy it online within $20. Second one. This is dryer vent cleaner kit. You can buy it online within $9. Third one. This is handheld steamer for clothes. You can buy it online within $34. Fourth one. This is electric apple and potato peeler. You can buy it online within $21. Fifth one. This is coffee mug warmer. You can buy it online within $16. Sixth one. This is kitchen lighter. You can buy it online within $18. Seventh one. This is car vacuum cleaner. You can buy it online within $35. 8-1. This is dish drying rack. You can buy it online within $21. 9-1. This is bathroom toilet stool. You can buy it online within $25. 10-1. This is meat tenderizer. You can buy it online within $22. 10-1. This is vacuum sealer machine. You can buy it online within $40. 'Appliance. So I'll bring this nice and close. Okay, so you first open it up, place this right in the little white area, white tag here, close, make sure it's locked, and then you're going to vacuum seal. All good to go with the sous vide machine. So again, super easy. It really is. Makes the process so easy. So, today we are looking for some useful items for day-to-day life. If you want those products, you can get them through the links below the description. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon in the next video.